The Japanese automaker is about to solidify its position on the market and gain new fans as it brings some impressive novelties for the next year. Iconic sports car resurrection, next-level electrification, and a new, fresh take to the company's unique approach to the pickup design. The Honda CEO announces 3 new models and wows everybody. Let's check them out. Number 3. 2026 Honda Prelude. After nearly 25 years of absence, the legendary Prelude name is making a dramatic comeback, and Honda enthusiasts couldn't be more thrilled. The 2026 Honda Prelude represents everything Honda learned about building engaging sports cars, now reimagined for the modern era with cutting-edge hybrid technology that promises to deliver both performance and efficiency. The new Prelude maintains the low-slung proportions and sporty stance that made its predecessors absolute icons in the enthusiast community. Honda designers have masterfully balanced heritage with innovation, creating a design that's thoroughly modern yet instantly recognizable as a Prelude. The sleek profile features clean lines and purposeful details that emphasize performance without resorting to excessive styling elements. It's sophisticated aggression at its finest. Under the hood, the 2026 Prelude is going to feature a 2-motor hybrid powertrain that's similar to the 2-liter 4-cylinder setup found in the current Accord and Civic hybrids. While this means the Prelude probably won't come with a manual transmission, Honda has incorporated something special, an S+ button in the center console that suggests enhanced performance modes designed to amplify the driving experience. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about creating artificial gear shifts and engine responses that will make the hybrid system feel more engaging than ever before. The interior is going to borrow premium elements from both the Civic and Acura Integra, featuring a digital gauge cluster, tablet-style touchscreen, and materials throughout the cabin that feel genuinely upscale. Honda has clearly positioned this as a premium offering rather than just another variant in their lineup. The steering wheel will feature shift paddles that could offer driver control over the artificial shifts or simply manage the electric motor's regeneration levels. Either way, it's all about putting the driver in control. Honda executives have been careful to manage expectations, stating that the new Prelude isn't going to be the sportiest, zippiest car that's going to be tossed into the circuits. However, this measured approach suggests Honda is focusing on delivering a balanced driving experience that honors the Prelude's heritage while meeting modern expectations for refinement and efficiency. The Prelude is going to enter production and reach US showrooms later this year, with pricing estimated to start just over $30,000, positioning it perfectly against competitors like the Subaru BRZ and Toyota GR86. Number 2. Honda Zero Saloon and Zero SUV. Honda is about to revolutionize their electric vehicle strategy with not 1 but 2 groundbreaking models built on their all-new Zero Series platform. The Honda Zero Saloon and Zero SUV represent a complete reset for the company's approach to electric vehicles, moving away from partnerships with other manufacturers to showcase Honda's own engineering prowess in the EV space. The Zero SUV is going to feature strong, upright proportions that give it a more traditional SUV appearance compared to the wagon-like shape that's become common among electric crossovers. This midsize SUV sits between the compact CR-V and midsize Passport in terms of dimensions, but the purpose-built electric architecture is going to offer significantly more spacious interior packaging than conventional vehicles of similar external size. The distinctive styling makes it immediately recognizable on the road, with a bold front end and carefully sculpted body panels that balance aerodynamic efficiency with visual impact. Inside, both Zero Series models are going to wow customers with a pillar-to-pillar screen setup that spans the entire dashboard. 3 large displays, instrument cluster, infotainment, and passenger screen are flanked by 2 smaller monitors for the camera mirrors. The driver is going to pilot these vehicles with a yoke-style steering wheel and steer-by-wire system similar to what's found in the Tesla Cybertruck, providing an incredibly futuristic driving experience that puts Honda at the forefront of automotive technology. The Zero Saloon, meanwhile, is going to follow a completely different approach with its wedge-shaped design that looks like it drove straight out of a science fiction movie. First shown as a concept at last year's Consumer Electronics Show, the Zero Saloon has evolved into a production-ready prototype that maintains most of its futuristic design elements, proving Honda's commitment to bold styling even in the conservative sedan segment. Both vehicles are going to deliver at least 300 miles of range and feature fast charging capabilities. The 400-volt architecture can charge from 15 to 80% in just 10 to 15 minutes using the Tesla-designed NACS port. What's even more impressive is the vehicle-to-grid capability that's going to allow owners to charge when electricity is cheap, then sell electricity back to their utility when demand and prices are high. A fleet of Zero Series vehicles doing this could act as a virtual power plant to strengthen and stabilize the electric grid. The technology package is going to be absolutely revolutionary. Both vehicles introduce Honda's new centralized electrical/electronic architecture and the Asimo operating system, named after Honda's famous humanoid robot. This system is going to receive over-the-air updates and incorporates AI technology that learns from driver behavior to provide personalized experiences. The Zero Series vehicles will also be capable of Level 3 eyes-off-the-road driving, though Honda has indicated this feature won't be available in the US at launch. Number 1. Next generation Honda Ridgeline. One of the most significant announcements has to be the third-generation Honda Ridgeline, which is going to address every major criticism of previous models while doubling down on what made it unique in the first place. After nearly a decade with the current generation, Honda has completely reimagined their innovative unibody pickup from the ground up, and this redesign couldn't come at a more perfect time as the truck market continues to evolve toward more refined, efficient vehicles. Why is this redesign so important? The Ridgeline has always occupied a unique position in the pickup market, offering car-like ride quality and handling in a segment dominated by rough-riding body-on-frame trucks. However, previous generations suffered from styling that was too crossover-like and capabilities that, while adequate, didn't match the impressive numbers posted by traditional competitors. The 2026 model is going to change all of that while maintaining the fundamental advantages that make the Ridgeline special. The 2026 Ridgeline is going to adopt a dramatically more rugged appearance that's heavily inspired by the recently unveiled 2026 Passport. This visual transformation features broader shoulders, more pronounced wheel arches, and a truly commanding front end that addresses one of the biggest complaints about previous generations. The front fascia is going to feature a completely redesigned grille with larger openings and bold horizontal slats, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give it a more modern technical appearance. The transformation is so dramatic that people who previously dismissed the Ridgeline for not looking truck enough are going to have to completely reconsider their position. The biggest news for the 2026 Ridgeline is going to be under the hood, where Honda will offer a hybrid powertrain for the first time in any pickup truck. This system pairs a turbocharged engine with electric motors to deliver approximately 310 horsepower and significantly improved fuel economy, around 25 miles per gallon city and 32 miles per gallon highway. For a mid-size pickup, these numbers are going to be absolutely revolutionary, especially when you consider that with the Ridgeline's 19.5-gallon fuel tank, that translates to over 600 miles of range between fill-ups. The new platform is going to maintain the unibody construction that gives the Ridgeline its superior ride quality and handling, but with increased rigidity and strength that boosts towing capacity significantly. Engineering improvements have resulted in a 30% stiffer structure, creating better handling dynamics and allowing for improved towing capacity, expected to jump from the current 5,000 pounds to around 6,000 pounds. Inside, the 2026 Ridgeline is going to bring a thoroughly modernized interior with a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen and 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster. Massive upgrades from the current 8-inch display that has fallen behind the competition. The signature features that make the Ridgeline practical are going to return with improvements. The dual-action tailgate, in-bed trunk with better drainage and organization options, and a new 115-volt power outlet in the bed for tools and equipment. Most intriguingly, there are credible reports suggesting Honda might be developing a high-performance Ridgeline Type R that would mark the first application of the legendary Type R badge to a pickup truck. This wouldn't be just a cosmetic package, but a genuine performance variant featuring a twin-turbocharged V6 producing around 450 horsepower, significantly more than any midsize truck currently on the market. Manufacturing for all three models is going to begin at Honda's facilities in the next year, with the Zero Series vehicles being built at Honda's new EV hub in Ohio. These announcements prove that Honda isn't just responding to market trends. They're actively shaping the future of the automotive industry with vehicles that blend innovative technology, practical design, and the reliability Honda customers have come to expect. Clearly, Honda is about to elevate its game for the next year, but it won't be the only one. Check out this video about Toyota's CEO announcing 3 new models for 2026, which you can now see on the screen. The world's largest automaker is coming with big novelties, especially in the pickup segment, where the paradigm is about to be changed significantly.